In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Claude Sonnet API key. To get started, open your web browser and go to openrouter.ai. This is the platform where you can find access details for different models, including Claude Sonnet. Once the website loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct page before moving on. Next, log in with your account. If you're already signed in, you can go straight to the next step. If not, enter your account details and complete the login process. It's always a good idea to make sure you're using the right account, especially if you manage multiple projects or workspaces. After you're logged in, look for the search bar at the top of the page, click into it and search for Claude Sonnet. When the results appear, select Claude Sonnet from the list. This will take you to the Models page where you can see the information related to using it through OpenRouter. Once you're on that page, you'll find instructions explaining how to use the model. This section is important because it gives you the context you need before generating your key. It typically helps you understand how requests are made and how the API is meant to be used, so don't skip over it too quickly. Now look for the option that says Create API Key and click it. This is the step where your API key is generated. As soon as it appears, make sure to store it somewhere safe and private. API keys are sensitive, so you should avoid sharing them publicly or pasting them anywhere unsecured. If you're using the key in an app or development environment, it's best to keep it in a secure configuration file or secret manager rather than placing it directly into visible code. And that's it, your API key has been created. After that, go back to the model page and follow the instructions provided there to use it properly. This part matters because generating the key is only one piece of the setup. The usage instructions will help you understand how to connect the key to your application or workflow correctly and avoid common mistakes. So the overall process is simple. Go to OpenRouter, log in, search for Claude Sonnet, open its page, create your API key, and then return to the instructions so you can start using it the right way. That's all for this video.